Alright, y'all. It's a cold, rainy day. I'd rather be at home, but I'm going to the gym. I only made it 2 days last week, but I got some much needed rest, so I'm not even going to complain. Sometimes we got to take care of ourselves that way too. But I'm going to get my workout on, get back home, do some little chores that I need to do, and then we're going to be going to Lowe's. Got to get some paint. Lord, this little DIY project's done turned into a whole big kitchen refresh. I am going to be doing a lot more painting than just the one wall. We figured it out how I can paint over the cabinets, so I got to take all that down off of over my cabinets and get that part ready to paint this weekend. But I'm going to get the living room and dining room and part of the kitchen wall painted this week, hopefully today. That's my goal. And then tomorrow is booth day, which I went ahead and got all my stuff priced, so it's ready to load up. So that's one less thing I have to worry about. So yeah, let's see what we get done today. All right, workout's done. And y'all would be so proud of me listening to my body. There was one machine, I didn't even try it today and I love it, but my lower back, it's not exactly perfect right now. It's like it could really be bothering me. And that machine, I've noticed, like, puts some pressure on my lower back, that particular machine. So I was like, I'll just skip it today. Can always do it another day. We're just going to take care of ourselves. So it's learning. This is new for me, y'all. Taking care of myself. Like, stopping when my body says stop. Resting when my body says rest. And not pushing it, like going ahead and doing a machine just because I was there. You know, so I'm trying. I'm really trying to be a good girl. Now I'm fixing to go. I did arms today, like my I do full body 3 days a week. I do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I do full body. But I went ahead and did my arms, but I was like, I'm not gonna stress it if I don't get the full amount of time that I normally do, because I know I'm going to be getting a good arm workout with this paint. But y'all, you know how whenever I was like, they changed everything up and I was like, oh, I don't like change, I wish they hadn't done this, yada yada yada. I'm eating my words, because I have found so many more machines that I enjoy that are easier on me to do. So I'm able to do them effectively. And had they not did the switch up, I wouldn't have found those machines. So change is not always bad. It's not always bad. All right, let me get home and get my little honeydews done. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook for supper. I don't know. James and I was supposed to get together on what my meals are going to be this week, and we didn't, so I don't know. Anyway, I'll catch up with you at the house. right, y'all. This is what the uppers look like without anything. It sounds so echoey in here. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to be painting here, all along here, and the back wall, this wall, and this main wall here, all the way to that corner. I'm going to be painting it. I can get most of it. We may have to rent a ladder for me to get like cut in at the tops up there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The lights aren't blinking, they're just LED. It's a lot of stuff. Y'all should see my guest room. So this room right here is full of treasure. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is full of treasure. Yes. I would love to, like, somebody put me in a room like this and say, dig and whatever you want you can have. That would be so much fun. I would say, oh, let me back the truck up. I'm taking it all. Every piece is hand-picked, curated by yours truly. I love it. All right, so we're going to do this right here. Now the task is going to be to go get paint and start painting, which the painting's not going to be that hard. I think I'm probably going to go ahead and paint what I can in here today. I did go ahead and patch the holes. Y'all would have seen that. So that's done. So yeah, I'm fixing to load up Buster and go to Lowe's. I'm gonna get some paint. So I am about to start painting, but what I have done is I bought 2 gallons of paint. And if you've had my experience with paint, you'll understand why I'm doing this. But I'm going to combine the 2 gallons into one bucket and mix it up. That way it is the same color. I don't care if it was mixed on the same machine, by the same person, with the same formula. Sometimes it can be a different color. So that's my solution. So I got truffle oil right here. And it is a Sherwin-Williams color. But I did get it in the Valspar, no, that's the Sherwin-Williams. The Sherwin-Williams Ovation Plus. So that is what I'm going to be painting the wall with. This is the top part. The bottom part will be, it's called caramelized onion. I couldn't find the swatch there, but that's what I got to go on my hallway on the beadboard. And when I got it last year when we did that, I asked for a quart and she accidentally mixed a gallon. So I got it at a discounted rate. So I have plenty of that, but let me go ahead and get this poured in. So let me tell you my paranoia with paint, where it stemmed from. So when I was building my beauty shop, I was painting the walls and we ran out of paint. So we had to go get more paint, got the same color, came back, started painting it, and we got 5 gallons at a time. Totally different color. So I was like, what? So that is where, and that's not the only time that's happened. It's happened here with this color. So that's where my paranoia comes from. So it's just easier for me to mix it. And that way it is the same color. That just works for me. Some people may not understand that, but paint's expensive. Paint is expensive. So my suggestion to you, if you're getting the multiple gallons of the same color and you're gonna be painting where you're gonna be able to tell, I would suggest you buy a bucket, or maybe you have a bucket, I don't know, and mix it. That way you have the same exact color. And that's what I'm doing. So now I'll mix all this up. And this will be the same color. It's a beautiful color, isn't it? Oh, you can't even see it. I love this color. Oh, paint stirrer broke. It's okay. All these old plastic pieces have come in handy. Not gonna bore you with all this. I'll show you after. All right, so I've cut it in. This wall, you can see where it's cut in because it's a different color. This one, once the cut in dries, you can't even see where I cut in, so I'm good with that. I've cut in this whole wall here, and I've cut into that corner. I'm gonna wait till we get the other ladder that I need to do these upper parts, so at least it won't look so bad. So cut in there, and then I've cut in to right here. And I'm hoping once that dries, it'll blend with that and you won't be able to tell it's a different color and I won't have to paint that part. That's what I hope. We'll see. But I'm gonna let this dry, take a break, and then I will start rolling it. That'll be easy. The hard part's done. And I have already cut it in twice. I didn't have to cut this in twice because it's drying to be the same color, but this wall I've cut in twice. So, yeah. It's painted, 2 coats. Only had to do one on that wall. Still some spots of drying, but oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so good. Yes, I'm so proud of that. So that's done. Now, I have to go through and caulk all the little holes, cover the nails, caulk some seams. I don't know that I'm gonna do that today, but that's still gotta be done. And then I'll have to paint that, but I'm painting it a different color. Again, that's not getting done today. But yay, this is done. I'm happy. Looks so much better. I'm glad I tackled that and got it out of the way. Again, it wasn't as bad as I thought. I had it built up worse in my head doing it, you know? So I like it. I like it a lot. Right, I'm gonna end it here. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, tired. I've had 2 workouts today. And now I'm gonna sit down, make me some lunch real quick, and then I'm gonna clean my bathrooms and fold a load of laundry and call it a day. I still gotta figure out what to cook for supper. Who knows? He might get a sandwich.